Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, we are going to show you how to use a PS4 VR headset on a PC. Let's get started with the hardware setup first. First, take the PSVR processor unit, which is the small black box that comes with the headset. Connect the PSVR headset cable to the front ports of the processor unit. Make sure the connectors are fully inserted so the headset can communicate properly with the box. Next, connect the processor unit to your PC for video. Take an HDMI cable and plug it into the HDMI port on the back of the processor unit labeled for the PS4. Then, connect the other end of that HDMI cable to the HDMI port on your computer's graphics card. Now, connect the data cable. Use the micro USB cable and plug it into the back of the processor unit. Plug the other end into a USB 3.0 port on your PC. This connection allows your computer to send and receive data from the headset. After that, connect power. Plug the processor unit power adapter into the unit and then into a wall outlet. Next, install Steam on your PC if you do not already have it. After installing Steam, install the Steam VR tool from the Steam store. Then download and install the Ivory driver for SteamVR PSVR Lite Edition. Turn on the PSVR headset. Finally, open Steam. Go to your library and launch the Ivory app. The program will detect and initialize the headset so you can start VR. If this video helped you, please like this video and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials.